Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Next up, I would like to call upon the super boss of Kidzania, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar. Sanjeev ji, the director and CEO of Kidzania. If I could request you to... Over to you, sir.
Well, thank you very much, and thank you, Siddharth. I think you spoke almost everything, so you didn't leave anything for me. So first of all, on behalf of Kidzania and IW Buzz, I would like to welcome you. Thank you so much for being here today, sparing your time and the traffic to be here and well in time, which itself is a sign of your commitment. As Siddharth mentioned, we came together a couple of months ago and said, let's plan an event. And we said, let's have it here or let's have it there. But they said, why not have it in Kidzania, which is the city for children, made by children. And obviously, the parents are most welcome, but primarily, it's all about children. So here we are, and I look forward to having a great session today. A few more points. You know, when we talk of children, we all know that India has not only the youngest population in the world, but we also have the maximum number of children in the world. So it's a very powerful platform. It has challenges and it has opportunities. The challenges are, of course, to give them the right education and then to provide the right employment. But the opportunities are to use the children for good of the country, which means social empowerment, environment, care, and make sure that they turn up to be good citizens. And simultaneously, most of you CEOs, CMOs, marketeers also realize that children play a very, very important role in the decision making. They are young, they have knowledge, they have their own tastes, they have their own preferences, and they have what is called both a push and a pull for the parents. That means they basically persuade the parents to buy something, and they are the ones that we should be looking at in terms of trends, in terms of samplings, and in terms of what the future lies. So I think as a Kidzania, we have a very important role to play in terms of responsibility, that obviously what we market to them should be something which is not only good for them, which is also good for the society. And second thing is, see which way the trends are going. We find that we did a very interesting study in Mexico. And because in Mexico was where the first Kidzania opened. And today I can say almost 95% of the children of Mexico would have been to Kidzania. And for your information, the children of Mexico also sit on the city mayor boards to decide and be a part of the decision making of the cities there, because they say we should also see from the children's end what matters. But coming back to the survey, we have this traditional thing that pink is for girls and blue and gray is for boys. So we did a very detailed study of over 110,000 children, and we found that these are just myths. So in fact, the reality is quite different. And that's why I urge you to basically use this to see what really are the trends, what really are the preference. You might be quite surprised they are not what you basically think of. So that is one. Second thing, I would be very happy to announce that Kidzania has now spread into the United States. We opened our first center in Dallas last month, to be followed by Chicago and New York. So there'll be a total of 16 Kidzanias going forward only in the United States. And of course, more Kidzanias will be opening in Europe. Currently, we only have in England and Lisbon, but we'll be opening in France, Germany, and other countries. And of course, the biggest market of all, China, that's where also we'll be going. So my job is, once again, basically to welcome you, to make sure that you are comfortable, that you have a great interaction today. And thank you very much, and God bless. Thank you.
Sir, I have to say the place looks vivid, vibrant, and vivacious. Just wanted to know a little question from my end.
Sure.
ये काय का concept कैसे आया, sir? It's very interesting.
See, now you look at it, Kaika concept, everything we do in Kidzania, we made our own language, we made our own currency. And it's a land of cool kids. So K, cool kids, because everything comes with a cool. So from that, we had two things. Firstly, from a point of view that there should be no physical contact between a child or a supervisor or anybody in Kidzania. That is from a point of view of hygiene, but more important, it is from a point of view of child safety also. So instead of saying hello, we say Kai. So this is further sort of reinforced. I was in, obviously, much before 2 weeks, so don't get scared. So I was in the Far East a couple of weeks ago. And suddenly everybody has stopped shaking hands. Either it is namaste or it is like this. So I think we probably were a bit ahead of times, saying that we should avoid physical contact as far as possible. But to answer it came from a land of cool kids, where everything has to be with a K.
Rest assured, I will be clicking selfies with a Kai now. So
Okay.
before you leave, a little token of appreciation from our end.